Hi there and welcome to Homely. I'm Alex Reed, the Technical Sales and Customer Success Manager here at Homely, and today I'm going to talk to you about Homely Connect. Now, Homely Connect is our online tool that we've just recently released. What it does, it allows you to remotely monitor the status of your heat pump and also allow you to push remote parameters to the heat pump so you don't have to actually attend site. So what I'm going to do is just give you a quick walkthrough of how you get to Homely Connect and what you can actually do within it. And then that way, if you do have any questions, you can reach out to us directly. So what we have here is we have the Homely website. You can see here you've got customers, installers, and Homely Connect is where we're going to click. What you can then see is that you've got the login page. If you need to register, you can register. When you log in, it is a case of using your installer login details that you already have. I'm just going to log in here quickly. So once we've logged in, what you can see here is instantly you can see a map of the world in regards to what Homeleys have been installed in which countries and which locations. You do also have here at the bottom a list of the actual heat pumps as well. So you can see that you've got Daikin, Midea, you've got Samsung, LG. All the brands that we do integrate with will be here. So if you do work with multiple brands, you will be able to see, and you don't have to jump in and go to other portals at all. We do also have addresses as well, and if there are any alerts as well. What I'll do is if you start to zoom in, you can actually see a map of where heat pumps are located. So what we'll do is we'll go and actually have a look at one of the heat pumps, and just that way we can just show what it actually looks like. So if we click into this heat pump, instantly you can see an overview that the hub is online, that the node's working. If there are any alerts, they will appear here as well. And then scrolling down on the overview screen, you can see the heat pump status as well. So you've got your heat pump operation, the outdoor temperature, along with the flow temperature and also the flow speed. Then over on the right, we can see the customer's schedule. So we can see Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, as well as what their heating schedule is, and also their hot water schedule. Scrolling down a little bit further onto the overview page is you can see what type of hub, the serial number and the firmware, and also the details of the heat pump. It does also then show you the node, which is the internal temperature sensor within the building, where it's located, what the flow temperature max and minimum is, and also what the battery strength is and the signal strength. So that's the overview screen. When we look at the history page, what we can see here is that we've got the estimated COP, the estimated heat delivered, the electricity, and also the overall cost. Now this data is taken directly from the Modbus, and then scrolling further down, you'll be able to see the heat pump history. Now, clicking into this, as standard, it is over a 3-day period, but you can go across and look at an entire month, for example. What will happen is Homely will then start to pull that data over from the heat pump, at which point you can see instantly we've got the flow temperatures. Now, scrolling down a bit further, you can actually choose what elements you want to see on the graph. You might want to see room temperature, the desired room temperature. We might want to remove certain features as well, so we can see the outdoor temperature. So you're able to see a lot of different data points. You might want to check the compression discharge temperature, sorry. So you can remove this and you can actually oversee what the heat pump is doing. So if someone's called up and saying that it's fallen over at some point, you can actually have a look and see what the data is doing. Finally, we do have our heat pump configuration. So this is in advanced data. What this does is this allows you to push settings to the heat pump. So you can enable heating, for example. You can also enable hot water, or it could be a case that you want to push settings in another way, shape or form. So that's Homely Connect with an overview. If you do have more questions, then please do get in touch with us online. Thank you.